Hello everyone, let's talk about these beautiful plants today. I'll cover soil media, growing techniques, sunlight, watering and fertilizer requirement of these plants in detail. This is Calesia cordifolia. It is commonly known as green turtle vines. This plant is best to grow in hanging planters. It is also grown as ground covers or wall covers. It grows well in a soil media that we use for succulents, flowering and vegetable plants. To grow this plant, make the soil mixture light. Take 50% of normal garden soil, 30% of coco peat and 20% of any good compost. It is an easy growing plant, anyone can grow it. Take small cuttings and put in the soil and water it. Keep it in a shaded place. Water occasionally till you notice the new growths. Once grown, cut off or pinch off the tips for getting the bushier look. This plant doesn't need sunlight. Keep this plant under the shade where it could get bright light. The leaves of this plant become yellow, tips become brown and appears dry when it exposes to sunlight for long hours. This plant loves moist soil. The leaves of this plant sip water from the soil continuously and store water in it. The leaves look wilt in the absence of moisture in the soil, but overwatering may cause rotting as its stem is juicy, so always check with your finger before watering. This plant doesn't need fertilizer frequently. Once in a month, give any fertilizer, though it is liquid fertilizer or any well decomposed compost. You may use vermicompost, cow dung manure or homemade compost that we make from our kitchen waste. This is Bolivian Jew plant. It is commonly known as purple turtle vines. This plant looks good when grown as hanging basket, ground and wall covering. You can grow this plant from this size of cuttings also. Take the cuttings and put them in the soil and water it. Keep it in a shaded place. Water occasionally till you see the new branch comes out. To give this plant a bushier shape, pinch off the tips. Soil media, growing conditions, watering, sunlight and fertilizer requirement of this plant is same as green turtle vines. This is a Tangleheart vine plant. The growing technique of this plant is also same as turtle vines and Bolivian Jew. The leaves of this plant are thick and fleshy. It means it is succulent and the leaves of it retain water and help it to thrive without water for many days. It is one of the easiest growing plants along with other vines that I discussed now. Take the cuttings and put them in the soil and water it. Keep it in a shaded place. Water occasionally till you see the new branch comes out. You may throw cutting of this plant anywhere and it will grow up. A few days back I had thrown some cuttings here and see all have started growing now. The growing and caring technique of these three plants are equal. One important thing to remember is avoid keeping these plants under the rainwater for a long period of time. It is hard to kill them, but excessive exposure to rainwater may cause rotting on the stems or leaves and destroy the look of these plants. So these are 3 beautiful, shade-loving, easy and fast-growing plants. You don't have to purchase these plants. Search these plants at your local nurseries and request the person for some cuttings. I am sure they won't mind sharing a few cuttings with you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button below this video. Also subscribe to this channel. We would love to have you in our family. Hit the little bell icon for getting notifications about new video. Let's learn, share and spread love everywhere. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.